We used 28 yards of topsoil just to build our height in the waterfall. We used tons of rock to get us this height.
But definitely it's a big challenge.
We are in Greeley, Pennsylvania. We already scraped all the area. We're gonna be build the pond, and we are gonna make the patio over here too. So now it's time to play with measurements over here. So we have to figure out where's our patio level and how deep we have to dig to build the pond, how high we can build the waterfall. So stay with us. That's the first day, and that's how this far come in one day. We don't do a lot, but that's my first time adding soil to make my height. So I don't think I did too bad. So that's my patio area. I set my point over here, so that's why I start with the step. I use that rock like a step to coming down to my patio area. So I have my skimmer over here set up, coming down into the pond. It's gonna be 3 feet deep, and over there I have to deal with that height for my waterfall. So coming down, so I'm gonna use a couple big boulders behind to hold all that soil. I'm gonna need a lot of soil in this area, so I'm gonna put 3 waterfalls. Whatever is the first one is gonna coming down from my biofall. That's my first rock. The second one somewhere over here, and the third one, that's the one is gonna be spilling water into the pond. See you tomorrow. Today is our second day. We already started bringing some couple boulders. Unfortunately, we have to bring a lot of the material. So all those boulders that was not here yesterday. So I built a wall to bring materials in here. It's killing us a little bit, because if we don't have those boulders holding the soil, we are gonna have we are gonna lose all the water, because we need to come this height, at least all the way here. Now it's time to bring topsoil, and over here we are gonna build our waterfall into the pond to raise it up by at least maybe 3 foot and a half. We are gonna add all this much of soil to put our waterfall up there. We are in our third day. Finally, we have an extra 2 guys. That's Jonathan over here, and we have Abelito, Abel, right there. So we have rocks in the pond. We have this much left of boulders, so we need bigger boulders over here so we can work in the cave. We have all the bottom is all done, so at least we have one side closed. That's our level, water level, and that's our patio edge over there. So we just have to bury the holes, so it's gonna feed us water all the way to the waterfall. And over here we have the cave. That's the bottom section rock. The skimmer box is in, so he's ready for be rocking right in the front and hide the liner. All right, and we're gonna work in a hidden rock and hide in the cave with this beautiful flat rock over here. This is gonna be our feeding rock, and also we are gonna be hiding the cave with this flat rock over here. So let's see how it's gonna look like. We have our first waterfall rocks. So all the pond is all done. We have some lights over here. We have 6 lights with the waterfall light over there. So 6 lights around over here, aerator, and we have a beach area with plants. That's our biofall. We have to work in the waterfall tomorrow, And I just want to show you that this high we have to raise it up. So we use at least like maybe 4 footers, almost 5 feet. And we use a lot of soil under over here to get us. I have like 4 over here, 5-6 inches below my waterfall, so I have to raise it up 2 more inches to make my other small waterfall over here, another 6 inches waterfall, and another 10 inches waterfall in my next to my biofall. I have some rocks to hold my soil and build my waterfall. I have my waterfall rocks. Also, this is gonna be one of them, like my 10 inches, and I have 6 inches waterfalls. So that's the other 2 waterfalls I need. And I have a couple rocks to put onto the side. So I have my side rocks, waterfall rocks hidden over here, but I need a couple more rocks to hold soil and put rocks by the patio area. So this is gonna be my first main waterfall ends into the pond. I have my other 2 waterfall rocks over there, that's 6 inches, and I have the other one is like 12 inches, one feet. I'm gonna need a little bit more soil, maybe 2 more yards, and we have the patio. We built a rock wall over here to hold that soil with the grass, and we have another step stone, big. That is gonna be the entrance. They're gonna put couple seats over here. They're gonna be enjoying the waterfall view this way. This is our 6th day in this project. Unfortunately, we have a little bad weather. It's raining. Oh, it's gonna be raining for maybe 3 hours. So we are gonna need all these rocks to hold my soil in there by the waterfall. I just sent Ryan to get me more soil. So we're gonna put soil in between those rocks. And now it's getting hotter and hotter. So hopefully it's not gonna be a bad day. We used 28 yards of topsoil just to build our height in the waterfall. And we use tons of rocks to get us this high.
We are very happy with the work they done. These men worked so hard. It was over 90, almost 100 degrees, and they worked from the moment they got here to the moment they left. And I couldn't be more happier with their work.
It was great. These guys stayed until they got it done. Wonderful job.
Yeah.
Wonderful job.
Tell me about this project. So what's special about this one?
I think special about this job is everything, because that's my first project running as a foreman, like to run a crew, my own crew in 1 week, and that's my first 11x16. I make it like this much and 3 feet deep. So we have 3 feet deep, and we have like 12 foot of stream, and we don't really have a big waterfalls drop, because the height of the other side we have to use like a lot of soil to get us that high. But unfortunately, usually with Tim, we are building like big waterfall drops, like 1 foot, 1.5 feet, sometimes 2-3 footers. But unfortunately, we don't have the height over here, so we have to play with soil. And I have only like 10 inches fall over here, over there, right in the middle. We have like 1 inch of drop of my second waterfall, and the other one is like 1 foot. We don't have that height to get us like big waterfall drops.
So what do you think your favorite part of this project is now that it's done?
The feeding rock. We found it over here. Actually, the homeowners have these 2 feeding rocks. Actually, it's step rocks. But they have over here in the property, that's these 2 step rocks. They want to use it, so I place one as a feeding rock, and also we are hiding the cave. It's a cave under this feeding stone, and I place another step, like a step over here to come into the patio. a lot of challenge all the time. Right in the beginning, when Tom Smith come through over here and walk me in, so start spraying paint and all the stuff. So it's like, he's got like, I see the pitch for coming this way. So that's why like, I'm gonna need soil. He was thinking like, we good, we fine, but that's right at the beginning. I know I say, I don't know what I'm doing, but like, why? But I think I made it. So
Yeah.
but definitely it's a big challenge.
It looks like it came out really well. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Ryan, Rafael, Jonathan, Jose, and Avelito, they come to help me to build this beautiful ecosystem pond. All right, thanks. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys like this video and like this pond. So see you next time. Peace.